special area, and this is a special house. That's the infinity pool. The water will fall from there all the way down. That will be awesome. That's storage space down there. I'll show you later the basement. That's the gazebo here. We have a space for at least 6 vehicles. That's the swimming pool. Huge. The architect also built this space to sit down and have some drinks with this nice view. And here is peaceful. You don't hear almost anything. That's the master bedroom. Take a look to the high ceiling. All the windows will have this vase of granite. Roomy bathroom here. Another bathroom to share with the guests, and this second bedroom. The laundry here with a high ceiling, very high ceiling. Living room. Any light comes from outside here. This area is the kitchen. The kitchen will be here, and again, granite. This is a very, very nice house. The terrace. Let's take a look downstairs. There is a basement. Nice garden here. Everything here will be covered with these trees. Will grow up, and that help you to get privacy like that over there. That's a storage area, another laundry area. What you may consider a full apartment or a studio, because you may have the bedroom here with the bathroom there and the living room over here, or the bedroom here, the living room here, and the bathroom there. That's optional. How the architect designed it is with the bedroom here, bathroom, and living room area here. That's a mango tree. This house is already equipped with septic, also the plumb. That's a very, very nice house.
Compadre Pedro Juan, que está sabroso. Aquella niña de los ojos negros que tiene el cuerpo flexible baila en empaliza. Compadre Pedro Juan, no pierde el tiempo. Compadre Pedro Juan, saque su dama. Se acabará el merengue y si no anda con cuidado se quedará como perico atrapado. Compadre Juan, baile de medio lado, baile al pan bichao, baile, saque su dama, baile